Hey guys, welcome to the Actum channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of ChatGPT highlights. So let's go to ChatGPT first. Log into your ChatGPT account. Then okay. Now you can just copy all that responses like this. Copy. Open your Microsoft Word. Open the blank document. Now just paste it. Click on this. Sorry, before pasting. Okay, paste it first, then Control. Click on this, and you will find this no highlights. Okay. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.